Hey guys, so it's Jackie's back 19, so I just want to show you my face paint. It's Lady Gaga, or Kesha, or whatever, and of course it's glitter. Yeah, I went to Brooklyn today and it was so awesome. We usually hanged out with our old friend Brandon, so that was actually really nice. And then I went on tons of rides, and yeah. So I just want to show you guys because I'm going to probably take a shower and probably going to wash off, and I just want to make. So yeah, it has lots.
Make it easy for employers to find you. It's free for job seekers.
Sorry, I'm trying to see if that, yeah. So, yeah, so here it is again. Let me see if you guys can see it up close.
This plane, this Delta flight, and pull away and then come back. Not sure what all of that means.
So thumbs up. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye.